If you like this video, don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe and stay informed. Addicted to Macintosh.
Hi. This is the unboxing of the new MacBook Pro 13-inch with Apple Silicon M2. Following the launch of Apple's new 13-inch MacBook Pro with the M2 chip, it has been discovered that the $1,299 base model with 256 gigabytes of storage has significantly slower SSD read-write speeds compared to the equivalent previous generation model. The new 13-inch MacBook Pro and with the 256GB model is equipped with only a single NAND flash storage chip, whereas the previous model has two NAND chips that are likely 128GB each. This difference likely explains why the new model has a slower SSD, as multiple NAND chips allows for faster speeds in parallel. Slower SSD speeds can impact common tasks such as transferring files to an external drive, and overall performance can also take a slight hit since Macs temporarily use SSD space as virtual memory when physical RAM is fully used. If you are considering the new 13-inch MacBook Pro and faster SSD speeds are important to you, we recommend ordering the model with at least 512GB of storage. It remains to be seen if the new MacBook Air with the M2 chip will also have slower SSD speeds when configured with 256GB of storage. Hope you enjoyed this video. Have a nice day.
Subscribe and stay informed. Addicted to Macintosh.